What's up, guys? I'm JJ Helterbrand of PBA Moto Club.
Hi guys, I'm Jervin Gaco of PBA Moto Club.
What's up mga ka-amazing? I'm Rico Meyerhopper of the PBA Moto Club.
Well, first we were binivisit namin yung kaibigan namin si Ryan Aranya sa Campo Yatus. Sobrang nag-enjoy kami doon sa campsite niya. Sinabi niya sa amin na meron ibang area dito na maganda rin. So as a group, we checked it out and we fell in love with the place right away. So we ended up having a group meeting. Kami nila mga PBA Moto Club members, and we decided to, give it a chance and develop the area.
Yeah, I remember one morning, nag-stay tayo. Pagising natin ng umaga, it's mesmerizing. And yun naman yung goal ng PBA Moto Club natin eh.
We also had difficulties with getting the logistics, getting materials. Also, the time nag-start kami, it was rainy season. So every time we try to work, it starts raining. So syempre, you can't work when it rains.
Yung hardship kung paano dalhin yung mga materials na. But again, pagka may goal ka naman and may target ka, kaya naman lahat, wala namang impossible sa world. Right?
Correct, my friend.
Okay, so yung main problem kasi dito sa Tanay is walang kuryente. Lahat ng campsite dito walang kuryente. So we decided na maghanap kami ng solar power sa internet. Then naisip namin na ang dami namin pinagpili ang solar power. Nag-end up kami sa Aces Solar kasi sobrang madali silang kausap. Ayun nga, nakausap namin yung management nila, nag-agree agad sila na kabitan agad yung Camp Amazing.
Speaking of Aces Solar, binasa namin yung mga reviews eh. And almost perfect yung reviews kay Aces Solar. Kaya doon pa lang, trustworthy na yung Aces Solar. Alright? Pinabasa ko sa'yo, di ba?
And what I like about Aces Solar is their aftermarket.
After sales.
After sales, yes. So that's what I really liked about it. That if we ever have any problems, nandyan sila para i-correct it. And kahit malayo kami, pumuntahan talaga kami.
So sa mga basic kasi sa campsite, na ang kailangan sa campsite ay yung 3 kilowatts off-grid. So di battery siya. So yung system niya, para kaming may sarili kang Meralco. Kaya amazing, di ba?
Amazing talaga.
Namin sa recommendation, we highly recommend yung Aces Solar.
PBA Moto Club vouches for Aces Solar.
Do the switch! Choose Aces Solar!